friends, welcome back to another writing lesson for this week. We are going to do some more reader response things, so let's get into it. All right, we are going to be doing another reading response today. So remember the 3 questions that we can ask. What is the topic I am writing about? What was in the book? And how does my book connect to what I am writing? Today we are reading the book Animal Horns. This book is all about the different kinds of horns that animals have. Now pay close attention to the animals because I'm going to be asking you to pick 2 of those animals to write about in our reading response today. There are many kinds of animal horns. This water buffalo has big horns. Look at that guy, he does have big horns. This lizard has little horns. This bull has long horns. You know that bull is even called a longhorn because his horns are so long. This mountain goat has short horns. This antelope has straight horns. Wow, look at those horns, they are straight. This sheep has curved horns. Some animals use their horns for scratching. They may also use their horns for fighting. All right, so in our book today, we're learning about different animals with different types of horns. So the topic that we are writing about today, think about what our book was about. It was about animals with horns, so that's what you're going to write about today. You're going to pick 2 animals from the book, and you're going to talk about what they use their horns for. How is it the same and how is it different? Remember when we talked about comparing and contrasting? Remember we did this in class where we had 2 circles. In the middle was where they were the same, and on the sides was where they were different. That's what you're going to do with your animals. You are going to write 1 or 2 ways that the horns are the same and 1 or 2 ways that the horns are different on the 2 animals that you pick. Well, what was in the book? Let's see, there was lots of different animals in the book. You can go back in this video and see what different kind of animals are in the book, or you can ask a parent to pull it up. It's going to be on the email, what different animals were in the book, and all the different types of horns that they had. How does my book connect to what I am writing? Well, we're both writing about animals with horns. Now the book was just telling us about the animals with horns, but we're writing how they're the same and how they're different. So that's how our writing is a little different than what's in the book, but it still connects because it's the same topic. So what I would like for you to do is compare 2 animals and tell me 1 or 2 ways that their horns are the same and 1 or 2 ways that their horns are different. Thank you so much for your listening and your hard work. I'm so excited to see what you write about today, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.